All right, everybody, this is just a quick Meshtastic amplifier update. Got a lot of comments, questions, inquiries as to what amplifier I'm using, why I'm not using it, what's the reason, saying basically that it's not clipping it, it's just an amplifier, blah, blah, blah. Okay, a couple things I've tried, and here's what I've tried. Maybe put some things at rest and maybe help anybody else that wants to do some testing with me. So essentially, I'm using these. See these right here? These little devices. They're about $30 on Amazon. And they're supposed to be for LoRa, or capable of LoRa. They say 433 megahertz, but they'll go up to 470. So, and anywhere in between, allegedly. What I've found is with using them for testing for range and not using them on the exact same setup, just pulling them out, I get much more range on the Meshtastic nodes without the amplifiers than with them. And what I hear a lot is, well, maybe it's just because, you're overdriving the preamp on it and it's creating too much noise. So I hear you. And what I did was I backed it down, the output of the node, in increments of 2 to 3 dBm just to see if it would change anything. And it didn't. So I went all the way up to as high as they would let me. It's like 30 dBm, and then went down by twos, all the way down to like 12 or 10 or 12. I can't remember exactly. And it did not benefit me at all. These amplifiers, for some reason, do not switch from receive to transmit mode quick enough when the LoRa is transmitting through it in order to capture the whole data transfer. And so I use it on a spectrum analyzer. I have a Rigel 805. I looked at it on a, what's those little spectrum analyzers that are $100 off of Amazon. Anyways, I used one of those, and I've used a couple. I used a frequency counter, and it looks like that it's clipping the beginning of the data transfer or the message on the LoRa before it flips from receive to transmit on these little amplifiers. If anybody has any tips or tricks, love to hear them. Willing to do some more testing. But for now, I get significantly more range without them. And so I'm going to leave them out unless I can figure out a way to make them useful. But for right now, they're not useful for me. Thanks for watching. Please hit me up. Leave some comments. I'd love to figure this thing out because I'd love to have more power. But right now, it's not working for me. Second thing is that I'm changing my antennas. I'm going to more of a base station antenna, which is a dual 5/8 wave, and with its own ground plane versus the little rubber duckies I'm using. I'm going to try that and see if I get any more range than I'm currently using. I'll let you know in a follow-up video. Like, subscribe, let me know what you think. Thanks.